أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سندخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا وعد الله حقا ومن أصدق من الله قيلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 122. In this ayat, Allah tells us about two factors. The first, Iman, and second, good deeds. If a person who has these two things, Iman and good deeds, so then Allah is ready to give that person entry to the paradise. So Allah promised with that person that you don't worry because you have Iman and you have done good deeds. Now it is my promise that I will give entry to the paradise. MashaAllah. So we read this ayat. Allah said, وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and the people who have Iman, وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, and they were doing the good deeds. سَنُدْخِلُهُمْ, indeed we will give them entry, jannatin, in the gardens, in the paradise. Tajri min tahtihal anhar, beneath it the streams are flowing. Khalidina fiha abada, they will stay there forever. Wa'dallahi haqqa, so Allah's promise is true. وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا, and who is truer than Allah in words. So in this ayat Allah said, وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ سَنُدْخِلُهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقًّا وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا. But those people who believe and are doing good deeds, we will give them entrance in the gardens, in the paradise, beneath which streams are flowing. They will stay there forever. This is the true promise of Allah. And who is truer than Allah in words? So in this ayat, Allah has promised with the people who have Iman and are doing good deeds that you don't worry. Allah said, it is my promise with you that I will make your entry in paradise. MashaAllah. So this is the blessings of Allah. Because solution of this, the salvation, you can say, is the mashallah, is the entry in paradise. So the main thing is Iman and good deeds. So you have to look after your Iman every time. What is Iman? Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allahi ta'ala wal basi ba'dal maut. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi iqrarum bil lisani wa tasdiqum bil qalb. So the iqrarum bil lisan mean confirmation with your tongue, wa tasdiqum bil qalb, and verification with your heart. So when you confirm, when you have full confirmation with your tongue and verification of your confirmation has been attested, has been verified by your heart, then it becomes iman, and thus then iman stay in your heart. So your heart is the place where iman is there. So this way shaitan try to intervene in your heart just to produce different type of ideas. So shaitan brings in your mind and heart different type of ideas so that you can make an other way parallel to Sirat Mustaqim, but then it becomes a zigzag where the shaitan takes you to other place which is the misleading uh, and making you to go astray. This is shaitanic intervention. So this way, be careful. You have to look at your heart every time. Any idea, anything which is coming in your mind, you have to look. Is it according to Islamic Sharia? Then you understand it is a good. Then you follow it. But if that is against Sharia, then you have to leave it and say, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. So keep in mind that when you have iman, then you are doing good deeds. So good deeds, they are just to make your status of iman rise up so much that it goes towards Allah. So the good deeds, they make your iman to rise up, and mashallah, your status before Allah, it becomes more and more valuable and more respectable. Like Allah said, Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. So atqakum mean the person who has piety, who is a noble person. So that piety is hidden with iman and in good deeds. So this way you have to look after your iman, and when you are starting any type of deed, before that you have to make intention. Innamal amalu bin niyat. So when you are starting any deed, you must have intention. If intention is good, your deed will be good. So keep in mind. So before doing any type of thing, you must first of all, you have to look at the positive, negative points. Is according to Sharia. If it is according to Sharia positively, then continue to do. If it is negative, against Sharia, then leave it. Don't do it. Otherwise, you will have to be misled by shaitan. So that will make a problem for you. So this way, don't worry. You have to follow the footsteps of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in order to get success in this world and the world hereafter. Don't follow up the footsteps of shaitan. So this is very important. This way Allah said in Holy Quran many places, وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا خُطُوَاتِ الشَّيْطَانِ إِنَّهُ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ مُبِينٌ. So shaitan is your open enemy. So the people who are obedient to Allah and Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, they will get entry to the paradise. It is promise of Allah. MashaAllah. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, paradise is the special place which have not been seen by any person. And no one has heard about that. And no one even have thought about that. So this way, this is the special place when you will enter and feel in that, mashallah, your entry in paradise will bring some special aspects which will make you so much satisfied that you will automatically become more and more thankful to Allah. MashaAllah. So this way, the people who are leaving shaitan and coming towards Allah, following the footsteps of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and having iman with good deeds, mashallah, they will be able to get the all benefits and blessings of Allah in the form of paradise, mashallah. And the paradise is so much beautiful, with blessings of Allah, with beautiful women, beautiful palaces, and so many trees full with fruits, and so many nice voices that will make you uh, more satisfaction and peace of mind. And there are unfinishable blessings of Allah, and you will sit there in the company of your friends inside the paradise, and those type of sceneries you will see. Then you will find what type of this paradise is you were not expecting in your life. So that will have so much, even there will be so many streams of water, milk, and wine. That will be special type of wine, special type of, mashallah, you can say alcohol type, but that is not like this. So that will be separate. You will get to know any type of unconsciousness, but you will be every time alert, but getting more than expected a person. So much enjoy and taste, mashallah. So that will you get there. And in the paradise you will not become ill, no diseases there. You will not become worry, because you will be happy every time. And you will have no any abuses and problems. No one will be fighting with anyone, and everyone will be happy with everyone, and peace will be spread up everywhere. No backbiting, no slandering, no joke, no taunting. So no uh, any type of thing that will disturb you there. Mashallah, you will have everything nice there. If the parents and the children, they the parents, they have entry into paradise, and children, they are there, Allah will make them to have a same place. So then the whole family will stay and in the same place also, mashallah. So that will be the blessings of Allah. And in the paradise, mashallah, you will find the servants. Those will be moving like the special type of mashallah glittering signs. Just things are moving like those type of things will be there. And even the taste of the things, when you take, for example, if you are taking one glass of juice, so you will feel the good taste, mashallah. And when you take the other glass, you will feel more better taste. And when you take the third glass, then you will take more better than these two. But in this world, when we take one glass, we take good. But when we take the second, the our taste becomes decline. But in paradise, taste will become more and more, mashallah. And there will be, you will be there young every time. There will be no any old age. So mashallah. And this gold and silk, so that is forbidden for the men in this world, but in paradise this will be allowed. So mashallah, men they are allowed in paradise, the gold and silk also. So much benefits you will find in paradise which are unexplainable. So you try to request Allah in dua, O Allah, bless me Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen.